You guys want to check on over 75 3D printers with me? We've got a whole bunch over here, and then a whole bunch more over here. So overall, I think they did beautifully. These are all very nice looking prints so far. Today was Sunday, so I left them all running overnight yesterday while I was away. Look, this one, not much filament left, but thankfully he printed okay. This one kind of had a rough go of it. Looks like it got a little nozzle clog and never finished the top part of this piece, but I mean, it happens. It's all part of taking care of these printers. Another one here, unfortunately. But all of the others are looking beautifully, so... Oh, wait, nope. That one has got to be stopped. But like I was saying, 3 failures out of 75 is not bad at all. Now it's time to fix those printers that failed and get them back to what they were working on.